none.
I'm ready for
You are
this, sir.
cited in contempt.
Sandali lang, malayo na yung mga sagot mo eh. Alam mo, Ginoong Morales, binibigyan na nga kita ng pagkakataon eh. Nahawa ko na po yung mga documentary evidence na talaga nagsisinungaling itong taong ito.
Service Committee, I'm going to cite you in contempt for lying. Any objection? Hearing none.
I'm ready for
You
this,
are
sir.
cited in contempt.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Salamat po, sir.
Kumsik, take custody of this person. Lukuhin mo kami?
May dala na po akong bag, sir. Kunin mo na yung bag ko.
Ha? 1 minute suspension. Hearing resumes.
Mr. Chair,
So,
before
for the record, this committee got the concurring vote of Senator Jingo Estrada as far as citing in contempt of Picoy Santiago. So that's for the record. Because according to our rules, I need to get one concurring vote. Kaya despite the absence of an objection, still, I need one concurring vote. And I got the concurring vote of Senator Jingo. Thank you for that support, Senator Jingo Estrada. You may have the floor now.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Before I proceed with the questioning for Mr. Morales, I have conversed with the lawyer of James Kumar, and with the permission of the chair, if you will allow it, if he can participate virtually, Mr. Chair. Are you listening, Mr. Chair?
Please, continue. I'm listening.
If I have conversed with the lawyer of Mr. Kumar, with the permission of the committee, with the chairman of the committee, if he can participate virtually from the hospital, Mr. Chair.
Well, he is within Philippine jurisdiction, and because of his medical condition, we can allow that, Your Honor.
Sir, we are just getting the clearance now from Dr. Lapitan, Your Honor.
All right.
And we have sent
Matatagal
already
ba?
the link. Just a few minutes, Your Honor. Because Dr. Lapitan is in Makati Med naman, sir.
All right. How many minutes are we going to wait? All right. The questioning of
Yes, go ahead.
Mr. Morales. Okay, Mr. Morales, bigyan na lang kita ng isang pagkakataon pa para malinis yung pangalan mo.
Yes,
Tinanong
Mr.
kita
Chairman.
nung second hearing ng komite, if you misrepresented yourself sa personal data sheet na sinabit mo sa PIDEA, that you were not dropped from the PNP role and was not dismissed and suspended. Yung personal data sheet mo, yung PDS mo, was made under oath. Tama ba ako? Was it made under oath?
Your Honor, nasagot ko na po
wait,
yan, Your Honor.
just answer me. Was it made under oath?
Lahat po ng sinasabit ko po sa PIDEA, particular po doon sa PDS, ay lahat naman po ay under oath.
Alright. So, kung under oath yan, so you misrepresented yourself. So, malinaw na doon pa lang sa PDS mo ay nagsisinungaling ka.
No, Your Honor. Sapagkat nasagot ko po na ako po ay nag-comply doon po sa hiningi ng recruitment committee doon po
Wait.
sa...
May I interrupt? I am not talking about your compliance. I am asking you if you misrepresented yourself. Dahil anong last hearing, question number 25, have you ever been separated from the service in the following modes: resignation, retirement, drop from the roles, dismiss, termination, end of term? Sinabi mong no. Inuulit ko lang yung tanong ko sa iyo nung nakarang hearing.
No, Your Honor. Hindi ko po
nilagay mo no, but-
wala pong misrepresentation na Mr. Chairman.
Anong tawag mo doon?
Ito po yung yung recruitment committee, sila po yung nagpa-comply sa akin. May mga bagay po nung mga panahon na yon na wala po akong impormasyon patungkol po doon sa mga pinahingi sa akin ng PIDEA. Kaya po nung ako ay pinag-comply nila, ako naman po ay nag-comply, kaya po ako tinanggap nila, Your Honor. Yun naman po yun eh. Ang pagkakatanggap po nila base doon sa pagkakakompleto ko ng mga papeles. May mga panahon na mga katanungan na hindi ko po masasagot, gawa po, Your Honor, na wala po akong impormasyon o eksaktong impormasyon sa mga bagay na naitatanong sa akin. At ito po, Your Honor, ay aking na-comply. Ang PIDEA po, nung ako ay nag-apply, sila po yung nanghingi ng mga dokumento at ito po ay na-produce ko naman po, Your Honor.
Sandali lang, malayo na yung mga sagot mo eh. Alam mo, Ginoong Morales, binibigyan na nga kita ng pagkakataon eh. Tinanggap ka ng Philippine National Police. Sinabi mo, 1993 of April. Hindi mo na nalaman kung kailan ka na-dismiss from the service. Hindi sinabi mo, hindi mo maalala. Itong pagpasok mo sa PIDEA, 2008, April. Okay?
No, Your Honor, 2009 po ako,
Alright,
Your
okay.
Honor,
Yeah,
nung
2009, alright.
na-appoint sa PIDEA.
Okay, 2009. Naalala mo, inadmit ka ng 1993 sa PNP, na-dismiss ka ng 1994 from the service. Pero dito, maliwanag na maliwanag, dahil sinulat mo, no. Having been separated from the service, sinulat mo, no. Oh, sino paniniwala na yung mga sinasabi mo? Ito yung mga documentary evidence.
Your
na hawak
Honor,
ko ngayon.
ako po ay nag-comply doon sa PIDEA
Mr. Chair,
Recruitment
hindi ko
Committee,
malaman
Your
kung
Honor.
ano.
You just answer the question. Answer the question directly. Huh? Thank you.
Maliwanag po, Mr. Chair, na hawak ko na po yung mga documentary evidence na talaga nagsisinungaling itong taong ito. Dahil dito pa lang, pati sa question number 33, have you ever been formally charged? Sinabi niyang no. Have you ever been guilty of administrative offense? Sabi niya no. Yung have you ever been formally charged? Sinabi niya no. Ang dami niyang kaso na binanggit ko na yung mga during the previous hearings.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, tanongin mo lang. Follow up question.
Mr. Chairman.
Ilagay mo.
maaari niyo po ba akong bigyan ng original copy ng sinasabi ni Honorable Senator Jinggoy Estrada patungkol dyan sa aking PDS? Sapagkat yung ipinakikita niya ngayon na PDS ay pawang Xerox copy. Your Honor,
Okay, may we request
napakatagal
the-
na po niyan at ito pong
Sige, kunin natin yung origin yan. Original.
Pidea,
copy.
submit the original copy. Where's the original copy of his PDS?
I will ask our personnel officer right now to...